Hello YouTube, this is XXXman360 here, and today I'm going to show you how you can mod Angry Birds images. This is to let you change the images in Angry Birds to any way you want, and basically gives you an idea how I was able to accomplish Angry Duolingo Birds. Alright, so we open up Angry Birds like the regular one. Yeah, so this is what a normal copy of Angry Birds looks like, with all the original images, and changing them is actually quite easy. It does not require much work other than a simple paint editor, although the images use transparency, so I'd recommend something that supports transparency. So you go into your data folder of Angry Birds, and if you're wondering how you get to that, like the spot where all the files are, if you have Angry Birds on your desktop, you should see you can just right click on the shortcut and you should see something that says Open File Location. You'd click that and it brings you here. You can go to Data, Images, and then you can go to PC Build, and you go here, and a lot of the images are, well, basically every image is available to edit. However, I noticed that some different versions of Angry Birds have different images, and some of them are in different formats now, so it may be harder. So this is for version 1.0.0, but it should work for a lot of versions, although I'm not sure how easy it is with the latest version. Let's try something simple. We'll edit how about we edit the menus thingies, like the GUI buttons. I'm gonna hide that now. Okay, so first, let's just do something like making this play button non-existent. And then saving that. Now sometimes there's like a write protection on Angry Birds images, so you may have to grant yourself permissions in order to do that, and there's tutorials on how to do that online, so not too tricky. Okay, now let's try editing some of the in-game characters. So you see there's a lot of them on here. It takes a lot of time to replace all of them. Let's make them deep fried, pasteurized it. There we go. Oh, this is gonna be good. So now we hit save, and okay, so now we go back and open up Angry Birds, and we can see that the change has been made. You see the play button we erased is no longer there. Let's bring the music back so we can actually listen to it. So now the birds are all pasteurized now. The background is also pasteurized. Just play level 1. You can see that also took effect here. Of course, they're still the same because we didn't change them. But yeah, you can see that changing images in Angry Birds is quite easy, and pretty much anyone can make a mod of Angry Birds. Well, I hope you enjoyed this little short tutorial, and if you found it useful, please click that like button and subscribe, because it is quite helpful to me. And if I ever post more Angry Birds related content that you may find helpful, you can be notified about that as you hit that notification bell and select all. And that's pretty much about it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.